Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. In this episode, I'm sharing with you this Node 3 that created this kind of design. All we need to do is basically to use this. Just turn on the text, and the text is still like live objects. So I can just change this to whatever. Let's try this. And if I make an update, it's gonna calculate for a few seconds. And it's gonna grab the text objects, put it inside Spreadsheet, make an update, and everything should be generated. So this can be modified to your purpose. But basically, the text, if the text is connecting like that, it should work. Okay, there's always like a little bit of glitch there. Maybe we don't need that one, and we don't need the second one, but most of the time it works perfectly. Okay, we probably need the first one, the second one, but we're gonna need to delete the inside. So if you have vertices selected, Command L will select that area. So, and we can just delete it. Oh, this actually has solidified. Okay. So it's we have a cleaner result. So yeah, let's take a look how I did this. It's actually really simple. It's taking advantage of the contour 2D. However, text object is actually kind of interesting in itself. If you ever try to convert this into mesh, you can see it's kind of overlapping, and it's actually kind of dirty, and it's like a compound path.
I don't know how to.
And yeah, it's a. So the way I clean it up in Spreadsheet is just get the text, and then I filter the edges and get just the boundary first of all, so it's clean, and then I do planar edge net. This one will turn it into a single object, and then I merge mesh, getting rid of all the inside paths, and then I do this limited dissolve with a bit of angle value, and then I do this polygon to edge and sort the vector, so it's become like basically like a single path object. And here I'm using cubic spline and resample it. This is actually really powerful in itself. Let me do a quick changes. So I could basically have a lower resolution or higher resolution mesh, and then the next thing I do is to make this contour. I could have more or less contour, so you can see here, and I can adjust the distance between the contour. Let's make it 15, and then after I do that, I simply extrude the edge and then scale it 15 times. So here I'm also using a solidify, so all this will have some kind of thickness. I think this can be useful for a lot of things, but you might need to make modifications. So let's see. Could be like a building, right? Now I think it's kind of interesting. Maybe like some kind of hotel, and this one can be the windows. I know that kind of design. This is okay. This is the height control. So you can make modification to your liking. Yeah, so basically that's pretty much it. And this one was generated as a separate object. but you can always merge it into a single object. Oh, that's interesting. Occasionally this doesn't work, maybe because of the modifier limitations. Okay, I was wrong. So let's solidify, and we have this text, and everything's still a live thing. So we can change this to blend. So this is one of this text is quite beautiful. It's kind of connected to each other. If you have a different text where the letter is not touching, you might need to modify it so they're kind of touching. What I found is with the Contour 2D, it's really good for objects with shape. I mean, it works really well with the outline. So if you want to draw something, actually, if you are using grease pencil and you want to use this setup with grease pencil, just draw shapes that's kind of connected together, and then this thing will handle everything for you. Okay, so hopefully this is useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.